Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your graphics driver on your PC or laptop. So it doesn't matter if you need to install or update the NVIDIA Intel driver or if you have AMD, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you the basic steps that you really need to take to be able to do this, right? So the most important thing to do is to check it on your PC and to know what kind of drivers you can install or update. And I'm going to walk you through a few scenarios here so that you can be able to help yourself once you ready to do so. So let's start by quickly right clicking on the Windows icon on my taskbar. I'm using the Windows 11 and let's go to the device manager right here. Now the device manager is going to quickly show you how to install those basic Windows drivers, right? So here you will be able to see on the display adapter, if you expand it, it will show you two important things that you need to know. It's going to show you that you're using Intel. So if you need to update this Intel Iris here, you can update that. Or if you need to update the GeForce. So you want to know these two. And if you need to even know the version, you can right click and go to properties and you can see the details and you can go to driver and you can see the here when it was released or driver date. So here you can see the driver date here and I'm using the 2024 version right here. The same goes for the NVIDIA if you want to update this, properties, and you can go to driver and you can see the date. No, you can update these from here and trust me, it's gonna tell you that you're using the latest driver. You can try it. So if you try to do update, you can try that. You can say either you want to have the Windows do it for you and it's gonna do a quick scan and tell you that it's okay, or you will try to do it like this as well, where you try to do update and you say browse my PC, let me pick one, and you try to do it from here. You try it may work to solve your problem and it may not work, right? The same goes both ways, you can do it. Now, alternatively, I want to recommend another option to you that you can try. So open up your browser and let's say you want to get AMD drivers. So you can type AMD graphics drivers. Simple typing that in your Google and it's going to give you the result of Google with the AMD official website. So you click that first option there and you're right over here. So you can choose now, guys, for example, AMD, that you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. You're not really looking for Linux unless you are. You can go ahead and you can start to do it like this. So Windows 11 drivers, you can choose the drivers from here. Or if you want to look for a specific one, you can click on drivers here and you can kind of browse through and see if you can find the one you're looking for. Or if you know the exact name, just simple type it in, right? So you can simple type it in. As I was showing you before, under this section here, you would most likely see what you need to look for, and you can just type that in right here. So if I was looking for, let's say this one, I will type it in and I will hit search and you'll basically see the results. Choose the type of Windows that you're using or the type of version. So if you're using Windows 8 or whatever, just whatever, just scroll through and you will find. Depending on the PC, you will be able to find it here and you can basically download the driver for yourself, right? So if let me go ahead and try another option here. So let me try, for example, this, just kind of walk it through. So you select the drivers. This way you can just search whatever you're looking for and just select all the way down to the T, submit, and you'll be able to find it. You choose the Windows 11, for example, and you'll find the driver. It show you download it, install it on your PC. And the other way is just by you typing it in and search for it. Now for Intel is basically the same, guys. So you go to your browser. Let me go ahead and open up that browser once more. I accidentally close it. So if we need Intel, we type in Intel graphics driver, right? Drivers. Search for it. You will see it as well. Take it over to the Intel official website once you search in Google. So you can find it there, top link. Click on that. Same concept, right? You go ahead and you search for whatever you want, right? You can even browse by products. You can go graphics if you want to go this route and search and search and search, and you'll be able to find what you're looking for, right? So you have these on the left hand side and you can filter and you can search, right? Or just simply use a search. In my case, it was Intel Iris Xe. So I can simply type in that Intel Iris Xe, something like that, right? and just search. You will find it. As you can see, they're showing lots of results. I can go ahead and I can just search and I can filter through and I can hit the download whenever I'm ready. Compare them to see if they match with the exact one that you're looking for and download and install on your PC. The same goes for if we're looking for the NVIDIA driver. You will most likely, I recommend that you can download the NVIDIA experience. So you can simply type in NVIDIA, just simply go ahead and type in NVIDIA graphics drivers, guys, or graphics driver. You will see the result as well. And go to the official website of NVIDIA. It'll take you over here and, go ahead and search for drivers, right? So you want to look. Scroll up right here. You can search a product. As you can see here, you can search, select type, and look for whatever you're looking for in the list. If you know it, it's even better, right? So in my case, GeForce, and it's kind of filter it through. If you want to do like that, choose your notebook, your series. Let's say I want to look for this, and just basically go through the steps. Let's say I want it for Windows 11, English, fine. And I will search. It's going to come back with the results and you will be able to download it. Right here you have it. You can see Windows 10, Windows 11. It will show you all that you need. As you can see here, click on view and you have the download button right here to quickly download that driver. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and download drivers for your Windows PC. Doesn't matter which one you're looking for, NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, you can easily do it like this. I really hope you get some clarity here, and I really hope that you'll be able to do this and install your drivers, update your drivers if you so desire. Very easy and very simple, guys.